Welcome to day 2 of my 30 Days of Agentic AI series. Yesterday, we learned that Agentic AI is not just AI that answers questions, it's AI that can plan, take steps, and get things done, like a digital assistant. Today, we're taking the next step. Because most people still think AI is just a chatbot. You type a question, it replies, and then nothing happens. That's the frustration at work. We don't need more answers, we need things to actually get done. This is where Agentic AI changes the story. Instead of asking a question, you give it a goal. Prepare my meeting. Now the AI doesn't wait for the next prompt. It plans the steps. It checks your calendar, finds the right documents, pulls key points, creates an agenda, and reminds you before the meeting starts. You didn't tell it every step, you didn't manage it, you just set the direction. That's the shift. Chatbots talk, Agentic AI acts. When AI can plan and take action, work becomes lighter, faster, and less stressful. Tomorrow, I'll show real everyday work tasks where Agentic AI fits naturally into your day. See you on day 3.